and a trailing one as well, because the Memo is sometimes it takes some good amount of speed between Woody Halt to Satellite Good Terminal, and currently I'm on board 0663 KSR Bangalore Mariputtur Memo. As you can see, the train is very much empty because it is empty, there is no rush. Loving the ride till now. The train has already departed from Woody Halt, and you can see so it's going to be a very short ride, short journey between Whitefield, and there is an unofficial stop at Satellite Goods Terminal, which is located right before reaching Whitefield. And the train is deaccelerating now. All the railway stops get inside the Memo train. It stops unofficially at Satellite Goods Terminal. The Memo is slowing down for an unofficial halt. So as I was saying about Puri railway station, it falls under SBC Bangarapet route, and it's a lovely railway station, very calm. And the train has finally reached its unscheduled halt, SGT. So Puri Halt is actually a very small, very calm, and a very serene railway station. The best place for rail faring in SBC Bangarapet route, and actually you can even reach Puri Halt railway station by bus. It has got public transport connectivity. It's very easy to go to Whitefield to Puri Halt railway station, and if you want to go to Whitefield railway station, you can take a bus from anywhere in Bangalore to Kadugodi bus stop, and Whitefield railway station is right beside Kadugodi bus stop, and it's easily located, and the location is absolutely best for Whitefield railway station too. So we can see the train is finally departing from SGT. My two home stations for rail fanning in Bangalore is Whitefield and Puri Halt railway station, and both are actually best for rail fanning because trains hit 100 to 110 in both stations, and some trains even stop at Whitefield, like Sheshadri Express, which lies between KSR Bangalore to Kakinada town. The train is deaccelerating again for some reason. There's a beautiful apartment over there, as you can see. Well, it's a cloudy evening here in Bangalore. Now this is a very unusual. The train generally picks up speed after slowing down at SGT, but not this time. It seems we have a red signal. I don't think so. You guys can see. So We are stopping here. I don't know why. It's very unusual. So I was speaking about Whitefield railway station. Whitefield railway station is also well connected with all the major routes in Bangalore, like Banashankari, like Majestic, and from Majestic you need to take either you need to take 335E to Kadugodi, and from Silk Board you need to take 500F to reach Kadugodi, and just beside the Kadugodi bus stop there is Whitefield railway station. So connectivity is not an issue. Let's take a quick tour of the menu. As you can see, it's very clean over here, and it's not at all crowded today because it's Sunday today, so it's not at all crowded. And we are still stranded at Whitefield Outer. Don't know when will the menu depart from here. Let's see. And finally, we are all set to depart after quite a while. See the departure. Absolutely amazing explanation of it. Some empty woodpile rakes have been kept in the look like don't know which is. So finally we have reached Whitefield railway station, and you can see the platform behind me and the memo right beside me, which I was on board from Woody to Whitefield. So let me show you the front side of the memo. I was right behind the memo. So it was a nice experience for me to hear the honking and all. So here's here's the front side of the amazing looking memo over here. So I hope you like the vlog, and if you like the vlog, do give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's a request for me to please keep supporting me as much as possible. Thank you for watching the vlogs. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Let's watch the departure of the memo. Chennai Mysore Intercity has arrived on other platform. That's Chennai Mysore Intercity, which has a stop on Vaishnu. With brand new additional coaches. So I'm gonna end the vlog right now, right here, as I have completed my journey. I really hope you like the vlog, and please support my channel by liking it and subscribing to my channel. Please. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.